Hello everybody, good morning. I would like to give you a short presentation and demo of Travos ERP application. Myself, I am Santosh Kumar, work as Project Manager, Travos ERP Implementation and Localization, India. Travos is developed by Open Systems Inc., a company with more than 30 years of experience in accounting and ERP solutions. Open Systems founded in 1976 and its HQ in Minneapolis, United States. We have more than 50,000 customers altogether and 25 direct offices in various countries. Below mentioned are the business partners of Open Systems, and the Travos ERP application is built with Microsoft technologies, .NET frontend and SQL backend. Open Systems Travos India Private Limited is a 100% subsidiary organization of Open Systems Inc. Open Systems Travos India is founded in 2007 and we have more than 50 employees in India for the customization and support of Travos application. We have a small development team who all are supporting the development activities of Open Systems HQ team. We have very strong implementation team with great domain expertise and successful implementation experience. Travos ERP can be implemented in various industries like distribution or trading, manufacturing, service industries, government organizations, retail chains, etc. We have implemented Travos in various companies who all are in food distribution, food processing, pharmaceutical manufacturing, pharmaceutical distribution, cosmetic, floral, etc. Travos ERP support both discrete and process manufacturing. This application has make to order, make to stock, engineer to order functionalities. These are our few global customers in various industries. We expect few implementation in India in coming months and hopefully we could add more Indian companies in this list very soon. This is the architecture of Travos ERP. Travos ERP is developed with the service-oriented architecture. At the base, we have Travos framework. Then we have built Travos application modules over Travos framework. You can build your own application or additional modules and functionalities using our framework, which is great for the companies who all are looking for the customization in the application. We have a tool called Design Studio. This tool helps the customer to make changes in the form or report design in few minutes. That is like adding more fields, hiding fields, or change the look and feel of a transactions form, adding and removing columns in report, changing the report formats as per the requirements of the management, etc. The main advantage of this architecture is even though you have done many customization of our Travos application, this will not have any issues with the Travos periodic update that the ERP application directly downloaded from the US server. Since Travos ERP built with service-oriented architecture, you can easily interface Travos with any third-party application. We have more than 19 modules available in Travos ERP application. In any company, the strategic decision-making people need various productivity or analysis report for the decision-making, various dashboards for the status monitoring, material requirement planning for the purchase or acquisition decisions, CRM for the customer-related planning and decisions. All these functionalities or modules are very much available in Travos ERP. Account payable, account receivable, general ledger, bank reconciliation, fixed asset, sales order, purchase order, inventory, production, cost, etc. are the modules available in Travos. These modules are well integrated and will work like a single system. Travos also have handheld applications, especially for inventory and point of sale systems. This is the interactive view in Travos ERP. Basically, it is an inquiry screen. In each modules, we provide 8 to 10 interactive views. The interactive views are very flexible and user-friendly, and the users can add or remove columns. They can add various filters. They can group multiple fields. They can add graphs for better outputs and customize the screen as they want. They can save this format into the system for the future use. So basically, they can build hundreds of their own customized format of interactive views. These customized interactive views can be shared to other users or group of users. Anyway, I will show you this feature in detail when I demonstrate the Travos application. Dashboards, dashboard is available with the Travos application. Each user can configure their own dashboard depending on their profile and requirements. There are hundreds of inbuilt cubes are available, and it's very easy to configure the dashboard with drag and drop facility. The dashboards can be accessed in browser, mobile devices, and other gadgets like tablets or iPad, etc. Especially when the top management travel outside the company or organization, they always need to access the dashboards or the cubes whenever they want. Info Alert is a automated emailing system in Travos. With the help of Info Alert, you can send late notices, acknowledgements, ship notices, etc. You can link the Info Alert with the CRM module for various alert needs. With the help of Info Alert, you can configure the periodic schedule for the automatic report sending activities for the various levels of management team. Info Alert helps you to identify the issues before they become the serious problems. Now I will show you the application demo. Basically, Travos has client and server applications. The server is used to add companies, add users, roles, then privileges for the users, database backup, restore, and many other backend activities. Once you click the Travos client icon, it will ask for the username and password. In Travos, you can link your Active Directory with Travos users. In that case, actually you don't need to enter username and password. System will take automatically the Windows username and password if you select Use Trusted Connection checkbox. When you press OK button, it will take the privileges and it will load the modules and the functionalities and features depending on the user rights which given to you. Travos has a similar menu system to other Windows applications like Outlook or Microsoft Business Solutions or any other Windows applications. Traverse modules are listed on the lower left side of the screen. You can see here all modules are available. With the selected module and its functions appearing on the open area above. With the tabbed function feature on the right side on the top, you can see when I am clicking on the transactions or any functionalities, this will be open in tabbed model. Actually, with this, you can open multiple functions or multiple screens at once and keep them neatly and organized. The application bar menu always opens with the favorite menu. You can see here. You can use this menu to consolidate the functions you use most often in a single place for faster access. You can add any menu from any of the module to this session. So you can click every time when you log in the functionalities which you use most often. And this is the dashboard. Actually, the dashboard, we gave hundreds of cubes in this inbuilt cubes in Traverse. So each user can arrange these cubes how he wants, depending on his profile or his requirements. He can change or he can modify the cubes or number of cubes. So he can select whichever cubes he wants and he can save this layout. So once he saves the layout, that will be available for him for next logins or anytime after that. And you can easily drag and drop this each cubes into any location of this dashboard, and you can change any of the graphs into different format. For example, from bar 3D to pie 3D. You can see here it has been changed to bar 3D now, and you can get printouts or you can save it as soft copy, and you can use it for either presentation or any other documentation purpose or anything. You can use these all dashboard cubes, which gives you a live data in graphical model. System is a multi-company. Traverse supports multi-company in this application. So you can use multi-company and you can select any company you want to use it. Depending on your user rights, that will be the features will be available for you to use it. And in Traverse, you have another one feature called interactive view. In every module, you can see this is the way the submodules are arranged. In every module, you can go, if you go to every module, you can see there is a section called interactive view. So when you go to interactive view, there are 8 to 10 interactive view, or some modules have 15 up to 15 interactive views available in each modules. These interactive views are very flexible to configure how user wants. And for example, if I am clicking on one of the interactive view, this is the way the basic interactive view comes. It's a inquiry screen, and here actually he can modify or he can arrange this as per his needs. For example, he can do any kind of filtration For example, you can see this is a customer related interactive view. There are all customers are available here. I want a specific customer related interactive view, so I can type that customer related information in the filter. So once I type this and apply filter, automatically that customer related information loaded. Now I want to add more fields, or I want to remove few fields from this window. So actually I can add more fields. For example, I want exchange rate in this. I want sometimes customer PO number in this, and I don't want description field in this. From this I am removing that. I don't want this field, I can remove. So I can remove or add any column I want easily. You can see how flexible it is. Now I want to group with financial year. So I can go and put it here. It will be grouped with financial year. Now, if I want to group it again, subgroup with the financial period, that also can be done. You can see here, I put it the financial period under financial year. So it's very flexible, and you can make the interactive view as per your need. So you can see here, I put it in my way. This interactive view I converted into my way. Now, once I configure this, actually I can save this particular view into a name. So next time onwards, this particular view, I can write it financial year group view. Okay. Next time onwards, this is saved. Next time onwards, whenever I log in, this particular detail view will be available here. You can see in group view. So once I loaded that model and that columns, all details will be available for the user to use it. And this can be assigned to another users or another group of users. So they can also get this format for the use or future use. Now we have another one, feature called productivity report. As in you can see, there are various reports, hundreds of reports available in Travos, as same as any other ERP. Like you can see here, this is a normal report. You can go for preview, and this will be opened in a normal reporting tool, and that can be printed or that can be saved in various format like Excel or PDF, or exported to any other format, or like you can do lots of things. But when you come to productivity report, this is opening in Excel directly, and you can see it's opened with graphical format as well, and it's a pivot table. And this one is actually directly connected with the database. So you don't need to open every time from the application. You can just save this report into your desktop or in your folder. Then next time onwards, you can just open and refresh this Excel sheet. Once you refresh the Excel sheet, automatically latest data will be taken from the database directly, and it will be loaded here. The main advantage of this kind of reporting is they can do any kind of calculation, additional calculation or macro. In another sheet, they can do another kind of calculation depending on this information. They can do, like I am saying, this value into 80%. I am looking for some other purpose. Okay. So like that, you can create lots of calculation depending on this information. So once you make different format or macros, you can save this Excel in your local folder. Whenever you want the latest information from the database, you can just open this and refresh it. That is the main advantage of productivity report, and it's very fast output. Then, so that is productivity report, and there is, you can see lots of modules available here. Account, whichever you have license, modules whichever you have license. I have given here like account payable, account receivable, a bank reconciliation, bill of materials, CRM, requirement planning, fixed asset, general ledger, inventory, bill of material manufacturing, bill of material production, bill of material routing and resources, payroll, project costing, purchase order, sales order, warehouse management, system manager, etc. In the system manager, if you see, there you can configure all kind of basic details of the company information, financial periods, other kind of all rules. Then even tax you can set up here. Tax in the sense VAT you can set up, various state VATs are available. Then CST you can configure, service tax you can configure. You can also configure customs and excise duty in tax setup. Then once you configure these all, that will be given to all modules. It will be available. And if you go to, just I would like to give you some information about few screens, like I can show you customer screen, for example. When you click on customer screen, customer information, so all you are typing it here or importing to here, lots of things you can make it. And every customer screen, there will be a task pan. This task pan gives the information related to this customer, like open invoices of that customer, aging analysis of that customer, open orders, price. These all like drill downs. If I am clicking on, I am selecting another one customer, for example, the complete information got changed. And now if I am clicking open orders, all the open orders related to this customer will be shown. So similar way, you can go to any information and it has drill down facility. And here also you can actually link the email IDs of the customer, and like you can see SO acknowledgement. There is 2 email IDs I have attached with this, with subject details, everything, what kind of attachment has to be given. When you create a sales order, and if you want to send the acknowledgement, when there you click on the printer or whatever, there is a facility. When you do that, automatically this 2 email ID, the PDF format of that SO acknowledgement will be sent to these 2 email IDs. So that is how system is flexible. Now, for example, if you want, you can, there are lots of information you can enter here. You can, for example, item master. In the item master, if you go, there location wise item can be assigned, bin you can assign, and there are lots of other features like each item can be serialized, non-serialized, kitted, lotted. Many information you can give. Each location wise you can give price information, cost information, many information you can enter here. These are custom fields you can add from through Design Studio. So whatever you think it's needed more than what we have, you can add through custom application. We have Design Studio. In that you can add any kind of custom field or some kind of functionality, everything you can add through Design Studio. And these are the modules. Anyway, I will give you more detailed demo if you want. That is not now, maybe next time. So basically, this is what I would like to give you today. And if you need any further detailed demo of the Travos ERP, please contact our partners in your region, because now we have nearly 15 partners signed up with us in various regions, or write to me directly to my email ID. santosh.kumar@osas.com, or call me anytime in my mobile 91-812-949-8920. My Skype ID is Santosh8. Anytime, please come and talk to me. Okay. Thank you very much for your time for this demo. I hope you got an idea of Travos ERP. Anyway, thank you very much. Thanks.